Pipelines are regarded as lifeline of energy industry. So in the last, is 50, 60 years, pipeline has been used efficiently to transport the conventional fossil fuels such as oil and natural gas. And so for pipeline to transport all of this energy or fuels, and the safety is, just mentioned, is still the top priority to pipeline operation. So this book will contribute to improve the integrity and the safety of pipelines by analyze the corrosion and other mechanical defects such as dents and buckling, and to guarantee the pipeline is always and operating in the safe condition. So this is not only important to the energy transportation, but also to the environmental conservation, and also to guarantee the energy transport to industry and to meet our daily life and requirements. Pipelines are a very efficient way to transport energy, and at the same time, the pipeline industry contributes to a strong national economy. And a safe operation of pipelines and to guarantee the economic development. At the same time, it will develop a huge, it's a huge job market, and to guarantee the employment, and it's also contribute to the economic development. And so that's why I will see in the future, and the pipeline is still a very important way to transport energy. And I hope this book will guarantee the safety and integrity of pipelines and contribute to the pipeline industry and the economic development.